This is the Amazon forest, the largest and most desolate forest in our world. If you were to stand in the middle of such a big forest, it would take you 472 days to get out. And in this journey, you will encounter animals whose size or size doesn't matter. Both of them have only one goal: to fill their belly by killing you. Even a small patch of Amazon forest is enough to kill you. This forest is a part of the earth that is spread over 55 lakh square kilometers of land. And this area is so big that 157 countries like Dubai can easily fit inside it. This forest is spread over 8 countries. If we talk about this area, this forest goes from the American state of Colombia to Brazil and ends at the feet of Bolivia. It might surprise you to know that we get 20% of all living things breathing right now from here. This forest of 40 billion trees is completely ruled by nature. So here, everything happens by itself. Here are some surprising facts about the Amazon forest that you may have never heard before. After all, how big is Amazon? And who is that creature that has been occupying this forest for thousands of years? Friends, the total area of the Amazon forest is 5.5 million square kilometers. But if a complete circle is drawn along its border, the border of the Amazon forest itself is 9,500 kilometers long. This large and dense forest is also called rainforest because it rains here all the time. The Amazon forest is so dense that every time it rains, the rainwater falls through the trees to the ground within 10 minutes. And because of this denseness, it is as dark here during the day as it is at night, because these dense trees do not even allow the sunlight to pass through. Due to rainfall and excellent ecosystem, there are many species of animals, birds, and plants, which are found only in the Amazon forest in the whole world. There are over 40,000 types of plants here, the most expensive birds of 1,300 different species, more than 2,200 species of fish, 272 mammals, and there are 380 different species of strange-looking animals. If we talk about small insects here, 2.5 million different types of poisonous insects have been seen here so far. As beautiful as this forest looks from the outside, it is more dangerous from the inside because anything can happen here at any time. There are small and large animals that are extremely dangerous. If a human enters this forest by mistake, the first encounter in this forest will be the green anaconda. The green anaconda is the world's largest and most venomous snake, measuring up to 30 feet long and weighing 250 kilograms. One of its special features is that whenever it hunts, it swallows a larger animal alive in one fell swoop. No one knows how many total anacondas like this exist in the Amazon, but there are thousands of species of dangerous snakes like anacondas, as well as cobras and pythons. Sometimes you will be bitten by an ant because these ants are smaller than a grain of wheat. But when they bite the human body, the whole body trembles with pain. But in the Amazon forest, there is also a species of ants whose sting is extremely painful. Known as the bullet ant, it is the world's largest venomous ant, measuring at least 4 centimeters long. If this bichons bites a human, the pain caused by it is so severe that it can kill the human. It is also called bullet ant because those who have been bitten by it have reported that its sting is as painful as a bullet. The forest, which stretches for thousands of miles, is home to the world's second longest river and the world's largest river in terms of water flow. Its total length is 6,840 kilometers. All of the rainwater that collects throughout the Amazon forest flows through this river into the ocean. About 329 feet deep, this river is home to thousands of bloodthirsty and giant crocodiles that will go to any lengths to satisfy their hunger. Amazingly, 219,000 cubic meters of water pass through the Amazon River every second, and you can estimate the quantity of this water from this, that the world's largest swimming pool, City Stars Sharm el-Sheikh, which is located in Egypt, the same water flowing through the Amazon can fill it in just 1 second. As much water as it flows through the Amazon falls into the Atlantic Ocean. Even if the world's top 14 rivers are combined, all these rivers will not be able to compete with the Amazon River. Due to the lack of human development here, strange creatures have also been seen in the Amazon River. The top name is pink dolphin, about 9 feet long and weighing up to 200 kilograms. Pink dolphins are faster and more intelligent than other dolphins because of their larger brains. By the way, dolphins get along well with humans, but pink dolphins are the only dolphins that can attack humans. Scientists and researchers have enough evidence that there is a fish called electric eel in the Amazon River for the last 250 years. Amazingly, this is a species of fish that emits a very large current for its defense. Up to 860 volts has been recorded so far. There have been several incidents in the Amazon River in which electric currents have given people high voltage currents and killed them on the spot. Man, this species of fish does not spare even an animal 100 times bigger than itself. Scientists says that the electric current of 860 volts can break the nervous system of any living thing. Martin Sterl is a marathon swimmer who had crossed the entire Amazon River by swimming it. Yes, the same river that has thousands of giant alligators, electric lizards, and large snakes like anacondas. Then how did Martian avoid all these things and achieve this record, and that too in just 66 days? In 2007, this man chooses the most dangerous place in the world to create the world's most dangerous world record. Martin used to swim in this river for 10 hours a day during the day and rest the rest of the time. Martin said that in such a dangerous river, where the anacondas had to avoid wild alligators and electric eels and many other dangerous animals, his team, who accompanied him on a separate board, had to escape. She used to throw pieces of meat from both sides of the river to attract the attention of these deadly crocodiles. There is also a river in the Amazon jungle whose water is always boiling. A 6.5-meter long spewing river is present in this part of the Amazon River, which lands in the territory of the feet. The water temperature in this river ranges from 90 to 100 degrees Celsius, in which anything can be cooked easily. The water of this river is always boiling throughout the year, but no one knows the real reason. There are also 600 tribes living near this magnificent Amazon forest. These people hunt the animals of this forest and spend their life here. There are many tribes among them who have not even seen the outside advanced world till now. And when another human comes in front of them, they react as if they were seeing it for the first time. There are many mysterious places in the Amazon that can be seen from satellites, so there are some signs on the ground over a very large area called geoglobes. Many of these geoglobes extend up to 1.5 kilometers in size, and more than 300 such geoglobes have been seen in the Amazon forest. What was the purpose of this strange sign, and who made it? If you want a separate video on this, write part 2 in the comments. Hope today's video will be quite interesting for you. See you in the next video with a new interesting video.